Hey my beauty family, this is VALYA'S channel, and in today's video I have for you this warm tone beautiful look, which is my recommendation for today. It is an easy look, a beginner's look my friends, a go-to-glam quick and easy look my friends. So if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows as usual with my Cyan Eyebrow Styler 10 Dark Blonde, and this is it. And then I have sculpted them up with my Just Touch Liquid Concealer by Golden Rose in the shade 03. I have prepared my lid with the same concealer, and then I have set it up my lid with my Kylie Girl 2-color powder cake, my pressed powder, and now I'm ready to move on to my shadows. In this look, my friends, I will have for you an easy look, an easy go-to-glam look. So, I'm gonna use my classic Revolution Reloaded Provocative, which is this. And I will take, with this fluffy brush by Eyebrow 104, I will take this, which is on the edge, a very nice transition shade in a medium brown color, medium burnt orange brown color, and I'm gonna apply it from the inner part of the lid to the outer corner, back and forward, and a very, very usual, beautiful transition shade. I'm gonna do the same on my other eye, as I always do. From the inner part of the lid to the outer corner, and a little onto the whole lid. As I have told you, it is an easy look for you, my friend. It is a beginner look and go to glam look. So we need, on my opinion of course, on go to glam looks, easy looks, wearable looks, everyday looks, I prefer and I recommend you the nude colors, the light brown colors, the warm tone colors. On my opinion, of course, if you want something go to quick and easy, this look, type of look. Then I will take with only my middle finger one of these shimmery colors. I will have this, which is a little golden, light golden yellow, and I'm applying it only on the middle of the lid, on the whole lid. Very, very beautiful, easy look, wearable look. And my friend, this undertone color matches to almost all of us people. In the middle, and only the whole lid, I have to say, not only in the middle. I will not have something extra more. I'm going to continue. I will have some dark shadow onto the outer corner. I'm gonna use this. I will have some brown, dark brown, which is this. A little of that onto the outer corner, just to connect the colors. Not very much dark shadow, just a little to connect. A little on the outer corner, just a little of this. We want a nude brown, soft brown look for our go-to quick, easy look. Of course, I'm gonna use my highlighter Warm Tone by Infallible L'Oreal under my brow bone area and onto the underbrow area. We need, this is a warm tone look, so we need warm tone colors, as I have told you. And now, you can leave it as it is, but as a professional makeup artist, I insist, because I'm gonna wear 4 classes, to wear just a few little liner by Precision Eyeliner Chocolate Brown, which is a very nice brown color, brown liquid liner, only onto the lash roots. I will not have a winged liner, I will have only a line onto the lash root. I really love this. I'm applying only to the lash root, just to connect the false lashes with my natural lashes. Avoid the dark brown, the dark black color in that case. Just a few coffee with my Santa Claus, a few coffee while I work, because I need coffee when I work. Although these days we have warm weather here, today it is a little rainy day, a little. We have clouds, a little rain and a little sun. A few of all of them, but also we have 20, 21, 22 degrees. We have warm color, although we have a few rain. Let's have our lash curler to curl my lashes. I always do that before I wear my false lashes, and I will wear a black mascara. I have told you. If you want to leave it like it is, you can wear or a black or a brown mascara. But if you want to wear lashes, as I'm gonna do, and these are my lashes, as you see they are black, so we need to wear our black mascara by MUA Loaded Lash. Let's apply some coats of mascara, and then I will wear my false lashes, my friends. I am the person that I wear false lashes from morning till evening. But I have told you, if you don't want false lashes in the morning, you can also wear half lashes or individual. But I prefer this type of lashes. If you don't want, you can also wear your mascara and go out immediately. This mascara is one of my favorites because it has vitamins E and B5, and it has a very nice curling brush and a silicone brush, which I prefer. I'm going to wear my false lash off camera and coming back, friends. My lashes are ready, and now moving on to the rest of the face. As we always do, Maybelline Fit Me Luminous and Smooth Hydrating Primer. For me, hydrating because my skin is combo to dry. For you, if you have a very oily skin, choose a more mattifying primer. But always you have to wear your primer before to apply your foundation for your protection and for your foundation to blend it very easily and nicely and beautiful, my friends. You need primer, don't forget that. Going to wear my foundation. Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Hydrating Foundation, Hyaluronic Acid and Collagen 10 Ivory. This is my favorite foundation. Radiant and glowy, really radiant and glowy as it says. It is really radiant and glowy. Apply it for the first with my brush, and I will continue to blend with my beauty blender. I continue with my Just Touch Liquid Concealer by Gonda Rose on the inner part of the eye. On the outer part, of course on the bridge of the nose and between the brows, on the mustache area and on the chin area. And of course I'm gonna take this and blend nicely and beautifully the whole concealer. You don't need much of your concealer, I have told you, only on your inner part of the lid and on the outer corner. And of course I can help it with my little brush, concealer brush. You don't need much of this. What else I'm going to do? Dance a few coffee while I work, as I always do. Fable lasts up to 24 hours matte, soft liquid fluid long wear foundation. This is the dark foundation in the shade of honey, which I took it to do my contouring. And of course my contouring, I apply it with a beauty blender. I have told you that I apply all my liquid products with my beauty blender. Very easy to apply this, very nice this foundation, very soft, very easy to apply it, and it is the color that I like for the winter. And pull it down onto my neck, of course, and on my forehead. Don't avoid contouring if you want a full glam, soft glam, a very nice look, and in the winter and in the summer. When you want a professional look, don't avoid contouring. You have to do this. Taking my Mon Rêve Tinted Cheeks liquid blush, which I'm gonna apply with my, this is a classic pink. Of course, with my middle finger and taking my beauty blender to apply my product. I need much more of this. Don't be afraid of that. And if you have a little more of this, don't be afraid of that. When I will apply the powder product, we will have the best perfect result. Of course, I'm gonna have some of my liquid highlighter, Mon Rêve Stella liquid highlighter. I'm gonna apply and this with my middle finger. And of course taking my beauty blender to apply in this product, always beauty blender. Now I'm gonna set up, for the first I'm gonna take my loose powder to set up my under eye area. I'm gonna set it up with my loose powder, taking off the excess of the product, setting up the whole eye area. I always use my loose powder to set up the whole face, and then I will wear over that and one of my compact powders. Of course, taking my compact powder to set up the whole face, taking my bronzer, which is this, and applying it on the whole part that I have applied the liquid contouring. Taking a smaller brush, and I'm gonna take with my bronzer just to contour a little my nose. From the inner part of the brows, I pull straight 2 lines down onto my nose. My blush, which is a dark pink, coral pink, over the liquid blush I have weared. That's a few coffee while I work, I always insist on that. Of course now, just a highlighter, my infallible highlighter, the champagne color onto my cheeks, onto the nose, of course onto the cupid's bow and on the temples. Now I'm going to end up and to continue with my, I'm gonna take my dark brown. I'm gonna end up with my under eye area to apply under the eyes. The dark brown, the outer corner color. Then I'm gonna take my crease color to smudge the dark color, taking this color that I have applied, the shimmery color, onto the inner part of the eye, and of course my highlighting powder onto the inner part of the eye. And under the brow bone area. I will wear the color. Where is my brown? Let's have some for the eyes, brown color onto the inner part of the waterline area. I could also use the black, but I want it in the brown. One coat of mascara on the bottom lashes, just one coat, don't need much mascara on the bottom lashes, we have told that. We don't want to put down our look. And never apply mascara onto your false lashes. So we can keep our false lashes for many time. What else? Over this, of course, I'm going to set up with a fixing spray my look, so I can keep my look for many hours in the day before I'm going to continue with my lips. And my lips. Red pencil, Elixir Makeup 053. I will have an orange red lips. Lovely Pop 17 Barcelona, one of my orange red classic lips. Classic satin lipsticks for my lips, my friends. The classic satin color, not matte. My friends, this is my complete finished look for today. It is an easy look for you. This is my recommendation for today. A quick and easy go-to-glam look, my friends, with warm tone colors, easy to wear these colors for every skin, every personality. The warm tone colors matches to almost 100% of all the skin tone of colors. So my friends, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, friends!